Let's try snake fruit. So I don't know why they call it snake fruit. It doesn't look like a snake. Maybe it does look like it has scales. It has a really weird smell. It reminds me of some sort of cleaning agent or like a mechanic shop. It doesn't smell appetizing. I don't even know how to eat this. Let's try slicing one open. And at the Asian supermarket, the label did say this one is from Thailand. Ah, interesting. Orangey yellow on the inside. Smells a bit citrusy. It reminds me of something. It smells a bit like pineapple. All right, let's just see what this tastes like. I'm assuming I can't eat the skin. I guess you can peel off the skin as well. So I guess that's the inside of a snake fruit. And I think you can break this into segments, I guess. There we go. It tastes like a pineapple. And there's a seed on the inside. So it may not be as juicy or sweet as a pineapple, but it does taste a bit like one. Kind of has a weird aftertaste, like almost, I wouldn't say metallic, but I don't know, it just has a bit of a weird aftertaste, but the flavor is nice. Well, there you go, snake fruit. Although it may look like it has scales, like a snake, it tastes like a pineapple. If I had to rate this, I would give it a 7.1 out of 10. It's nice.